Porsche. L'esterno dei nuovi modelli Cayenne svela il loro carattere al primo sguardo.
Rotors with the big yellow brake caliper with the Porsche call letters.
Draft to give you better handling characteristics and control.
Moins de temps à la seconde génération pour le dépasser avec 303 000 exemplaires vendus.
That's the center cap. Excellent touch. We get this huge red brake caliper.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. تغطيتنا الخاصة اليوم من فرنسا تحديدا مدينة.
Yes, is the sportiest version of all of the Cayennes. There are a lot.
Sie sind aber auch gleichzeitig auch komfortabler geworden. Man kann sich also entscheiden zwischen drei
And most expensive Cayenne ever. And today I'm going to take you on a tour of the top.
И вроде начинается от 5, а стоит 12. Какого болта? Porsche Cayenne сегодня на видео покажет всем вот такую штуку и большой палец вверх одновременно. Быстро, динамично, погнали!
In the color of bark, clothes smelling like trees, digging my earth from my roots and weeds. My truth bleeds right back in the arm. No scar, but I left my mark. My friend got clean, then no deed. Life is just that dark. Clothes smelling like trees, digging my earth from my roots and weeds. My truth bleeds right back in the arm. No scar, but I left my mark. My friend got clean, then no deed. Life is just that dark. But life is just that bright. But when the sunset shines, I seen the crafty price. I'm back tonight with a fact to life. In honor of the past, I write. I'm wide over with no glass of wine. Stuck in the barrel, I'll get better with time. While you measure how the pleasure declines. I'm stacking cheddar while the blood just rise. With my eyes and my ears glued here on my grind, cutty. Creeping on the combine. Clothes smelling like trees, digging my earth from my roots and weeds. My truth bleeds right back in the arm. No scar, but I left my mark. My friend got clean, then no deed. Life is just that dark. Clothes smelling like trees, digging my earth from my roots and weeds. My truth bleeds right back in the arm. No scar, but I left my mark. My friend got clean, then no deed. Life is just that dark. But life is just that bright. But when the sunset shines, I seen the crafty price. I'm back tonight with a fact to life. In honor of the past, I write. I'm wide over with no glass of wine. Stuck in the barrel, I'll get better with time. While you measure how the pleasure declines. I'm stacking cheddar while the blood just rise. With my eyes and my ears glued here on my grind, cutty. Creeping on the combine. Hard work in the crux that admitted us. About to bust, all my veins full of cold dust. The 1985 California gold rush. In the spine plus the flesh that it holds up. I'm out for mines and my wolves got us sewn up. One crow, one eagle on my shoulder. And my eyes hold the light that approaches.
what it be like, be like. Show me what it be like, show me what it be like, be like. Show me what it be like, be like. Show me what it be like, show me what it be like, be like. Show me what it be like, be like. Show me what it be like, show me what it be like, be like. Show me what it be like.
If G on the track, bet I got that head bopping. See this beat here knocking, and my flow rocking. If you doubt, I was flopping. You said we have a problem. Hold up, let me demonstrate it. Thinking nothing, nigga, how do you being manipulated? Play it to the core. How'd your little lady leave a bitch around me? I am gon' penetrate it. Dope boy fresh, coke boy checks. It's money off the D like Ron Artest. I heard you talking about it, but buddy, I get it. Don't know about you, but buddy, I did it. This ain't just rap, buddy, I live it. Shoot the work like pancakes, buddy, I flip it. Oh no, it's J-I-double-G, they ain't got no post. I'm the livest in the street. You complain and shit on my ego. Stay fresh at the toe, yeah, you already know, nigga. I don't even see you. If you know you getting paid, then let me say, I'm so hot. Can't cool me down. I'm so hot. Can't cool me down. I'm so hot. Can't cool me down. I'm so hot. Biggie said Miami, DC, prefer Versace. But if you looking for a trick, then bitch is not me. Get my car keys, get my car please. What I tell him at ballet, blowing on Calais. Not very, but she looking like LA. Throw it to me, baby, bet I catch it like a LA. Wait a minute. Biggie said Miami, DC, prefer Versace. But if you looking for a trick, then bitch, it's not me. Get my car keys, get my car please. What I tell them at ballet, blowing on Calais. Not very, but she looking like LA. Throw it to me, baby, bet I catch it like a LA. Wait a minute. let it breathe. I ain't talking about me, bitch, I'm talking about your jeans. Open them shits, show me them hips, blow me a kiss in that order if you fucking with this. If so, just know I go all night, ignite, explode. No casino guarantee, I'm your best bet. 747, let's jet in the air. You know I don't care, see I'm just so hot, so it really isn't fair. You can blame this shit on my ego. Stay fresh and so, yeah, you already know, nigga. I don't even see you. If you know you getting paid, then let me say I'm so hot. Can't cool me down. 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 For my niggas, boy, fuck them other niggas. I'm down for my niggas, boy, fuck them other niggas. I ride for my niggas, boy, I die for my niggas, boy, fuck them other niggas, niggas, fuck them other niggas. I'm down for my niggas, boy, fuck them other niggas. I'm down for my niggas, boy, fuck them other niggas. 'Cause I ride for my niggas, I die for my niggas, boy, fuck them other niggas. Bitch, I'm down with no limit, I ride for the cause. I'm the nigga on the tank with the big fucking balls. And if anybody fuck with Snoop Doggy Dogg, I'ma make his niggas put his name on the wall. And everywhere I go, I got Mr. Magic here, because I know that nigga don't care. He'll have that red shit pouring out your house, nigga, any fucking time, nigga, any fucking world. Make 'em bleed is the motto that I live by. If you fuck with me, it's a must you die. Them niggas might can run, but them niggas can't hide. It's like shooting yourself. It's a suicide kill. See, got to be hitting hard like birth. Niggas in the know you know a man's big hurt, just like Soda Slim. He'll put you in the dirt and have your picture on front of a t-shirt. And when I make moves, I got 100 niggas with me, just in case a nigga out there trying to get me. All my niggas is down to squeeze a trigger. That's why I'm down for my motherfucking niggas. Fuck them other niggas, I'm down for my niggas. Fuck them other niggas, I'm down for my niggas. Fuck them other niggas, I ride for my niggas, I die for my niggas. Man, fuck them other niggas, fuck them other niggas, 'cause I'm down for my niggas. Fuck them other niggas, 'cause I'm down for my niggas. Fuck them other niggas, I ride for my niggas, I die for my niggas. Fuck them other niggas.
But you ain't heard why I ride with these niggas. I die with these niggas. Did a drive by my 45 'cause I'm down with these niggas. Snoop Dogg and Boss Lid. Don't shoot now, nigga, just call me when you need me. Believe me, I never bite the hand that feed me. Just point them niggas out, now I leave them all on the street bleeding. Bitch, you fucking with a grown man. I be done wagged you in your house and then buried you on your own land. See, the cops are scared to come and get me, but I don't blame them, 'cause they know I got a bunch of dog niggas with me. Looking for trouble starting shit. I'm riding solo when I'm busting and getting rid of your clique. See, you boys ain't bout beefing when you fucking with niggas that'll definitely get you eternal sleep. But if you didn't get the fucking picture, bitch, I'm down for my niggas.
I'm down for my niggas. Fuck them other niggas. I'm down for my niggas. Fuck them other niggas. I ride for my niggas. I die for my niggas. Fuck them other niggas. Fuck them other niggas, 'cause I'm down for my niggas. Fuck them other niggas, 'cause I'm down for my niggas. Fuck them other niggas. I ride for my niggas. I die for my niggas. Fuck them other niggas.
What niggas? Them niggas? Yeah, dog. You with it? Fuck 'em. Let's get 'em. Do 'em. I did 'em. We getting nutty in this motherfucker. I got my buddy in this motherfucker. Leave a nigga bloody in this motherfucker. We in the cutty, motherfucker. You done too much. You got it coming, motherfucker. Some of these niggas is bitches too, and some of these niggas look just like you. Well, where I'm from, we like to ride on fools. Do it from the shoulders, I do it from the toes. I do my dirt up on my loan. See murder and magic, hell yeah, they're my motherfucking homies. So when shit get thick and foggy, and niggas wanna act like they wanna get with Snoop Dogg, let me let you niggas know. Shit, fuck what you going through and fuck what you stand for. Fuck 'em.
Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Oh, Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan. Green Sally up. done start.